The Alaska Railroad, one of the last operating railroads in America, is approaching Denali Park, and hundreds of passengers are waiting. Observation car. In general, the train is huge, very long, and the folks are waiting there. What we've seen over there is what they call depot, which is actually the train station. Such cars wouldn't be able to move in Europe because they are simply too big. They are extremely high and maybe also heavy. And Alaskan Railroad history, that's the snow plow, because there is plenty of snow in the winter here. And again, the tremendous scenery surrounding Anchorage.